Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zandu Balm in a factory. First, we gather the essential raw materials like menthol, eucalyptus oil, and wintergreen oil. Each ingredient undergoes strict quality checks to ensure purity and potency. Then, these components are carefully weighed to exact specifications, preparing them for the initial mixing stages. This meticulous preparation is crucial for the balm's effectiveness. Next, the precisely measured ingredients are transferred into large industrial mixers. Here, they are thoroughly blended to achieve a uniform consistency. The mixture is then gently heated to a controlled temperature, typically around 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. This heating process helps to dissolve and combine all components effectively, ensuring the balm's smooth texture and therapeutic properties. Once thoroughly mixed and heated, the balm is carefully cooled in a controlled environment to solidify. This cooling process is vital for maintaining its desired texture and stability. After cooling, the balm is precisely filled into individual, sterile containers. Each container is then securely sealed, labeled with product information, and prepared for the next stage of quality assurance. Finally, every batch of Zandu Balm undergoes a comprehensive series of final quality control tests. These checks ensure that each product meets strict standards for potency, purity, and safety before it leaves the factory. Approved balms are then carefully packaged and stored in optimal conditions, ready for efficient distribution to consumers. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals, including the Owala water bottle to stay hydrated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.